We need to round that to the nearest 100, those two numbers. What we'll do is look at the following rule. So for instance, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is a number, and you need to round to the nearest 100. We've got units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. If you need to round to the nearest 100, we need to look at the tens column. That's always what we'll have to do. If that number in the tens column is more than 5 or bigger, the digit in the hundreds column would just increase by 1. If the number in the tens column is smaller than 5, everything would just revert to 0 from the tens column down, and the hundreds column would stay exactly as it is. So if we look at the first one then, 49, obviously then the 4 is the number that we'll be looking for, because that is the tens column. That number is smaller than 5, so the whole number 49 rounded to the nearest 100 would just be 0. Everything just reverts to 0 from the tens column on to the right, and there is no hundreds column to have a number in, so the whole thing just becomes 0. Then for 8152, we've got units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Looking at the tens column, we see that that is 5 and bigger, obviously 5, which means that the number just to the left of it will increase by 1. So we'll have 82, and then everything else would just become 0. And there we've got 8,152 rounded to the nearest 100 becomes 8,200.